good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated 11th August 2022. Indian benchmark indices ended on strong note with Nifty closing above 17,600 led by IT, realty, banking names. At close, the Sensex was up 515.31 points with a change of 0.88% at 59,332.60. On the stock-specific front, we have Axis Bank, Bajaj Finance, and HDFC were among the top Nifty gainers. Bank Nifty index continued its strong up move on the back of positive global cues. Meanwhile, Bajaj Finance is offering higher fixed deposit interest rates as high as 7.75%. The company in a statement said that FDs are not based on market performance, thus eliminates the fear aspect. On the flip side, we have Tata Consumer Products, Apollo Hospital, and ITC as major laggards. Except FMCG, all other sectoral indices ended in the green with bank, capital goods, information technology, PSU bank and realty up 1-2%. Raw material inflation acted as a drag on margins of FMCG players in the first quarter of this fiscal. Talking about the recent developments in the corporate segment, we have JSW Energy has agreed to buy Mitra Energy's 1.75 gigawatt renewable energy assets for 10,530 crore rupees in its largest deal so far. This is the third biggest acquisition in the renewable energy space in India. If the deal goes through, it will take JSW Energy's operational generation capacity by over 35% to 6.53 gigawatt from 4.78 gigawatt currently. The deal is subject to approval from the Competition Commission of India. JSW Energy had signed an exclusivity pact with Mitra Energy in May to acquire its assets. Life Insurance Corporation has sold 2% of its shareholding in automaker Mahindra & Mahindra for about 2,222.49 crore rupees. The shares were sold through open market transactions during the period from December 21, 2020 to August 8, 2022. After the sale, the LIC holding in the passenger cars and utility vehicles company decreased from 8.430% to 6.421%. JMC Projects Limited has secured new orders worth 1,524 crore rupees in construction and water segments. The orders include an engineering, procurement and construction project for integrated airport development in Asia for 1,012 crore rupees. JMC Projects India Limited is one of the leading civil construction and infrastructure EPC companies in India. Adani Enterprises Limited plans to invest $5.2 billion in setting up an alumina refinery in the eastern Indian state of Odisha, as Gautam Adani, Asia's richest man, adds one more business to his rapidly expanding empire. The flagship company of the Adani Group got the approval to build the refinery and a captive power plant in Raigada for an investment of 416.53 billion rupees. Adani had scaled up his nascent cement business overnight by acquiring Holcim Limited India units for $10.5 billion in May, less than a year after setting up a cement subsidiary. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp or email. Thank you for being patient and listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel to know the latest updates in the market. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.